Hello. The first named storm of the season is on the way. It's more likely to be affecting northern parts of the UK, and it's going to really peak on Friday night and Saturday morning. More on that in a moment. First of all, we've got a couple of days to get through and a couple of other weather systems to talk about. This one's dangling itself across the UK currently, bringing a bit of a north-south split with the weather today. The weather front has been a little further south, generating a bit of patchy rain over eastern parts of England. That is clearing out into the North Sea, although the odd light shower is still possible across East Anglia. Easing off the rain too in northeastern parts of Scotland and across northern England, but staying fairly damp in western Scotland, where the rainfall totals are really likely to build up over the next day or so. Further south, quite a bit of cloud, but some sunny spells breaking through across southern England and across the southeast. Bit of sunshine here this afternoon. Could see temperatures get up to 20 Celsius. Elsewhere, with thicker cloud, mostly looking mid to maybe high teens at best. It's getting a bit breezy in parts of western Scotland as well. That breeze will continue to drive some outbreaks of rain into western Scotland because it's been so wet here and because the rain will continue to fall through much of Thursday. We do have a Met Office yellow warning in place. Pepping up a little bit overnight. The rain here, some heavier bursts, parts of eastern Northern Ireland also seeing a bit of a soggy night, and Cumbria too, but elsewhere many places having a dry night. Quite a bit of cloud around, but well, we've got the clear skies, so still chilly enough, temperatures dipping down into single figures across parts of the south. Quite a contrast, in fact, with the thicker cloud and the brisk breeze across Scotland and Northern Ireland. Temperatures certainly many towns and cities holding up in the teens. As well as turning a bit chilly, there's the possibility of a little mist and fog with lighter winds across England and Wales, but again, it shouldn't last too long tomorrow. And generally, it's a dry and a bright day once more across much of England and Wales. Should see some sunny spells coming through. Staying pretty damp in western Scotland, however, and a big chunk of rain then moving into Northern Ireland. Brighter colours here, some quite heavy downpours for Northern Ireland and particularly western Scotland, building up through Thursday. So again, that weather warning is in place. The winds also really picking up later tomorrow, especially in and around Irish Sea coast and up the western side of Scotland. So not feeling all that pleasant with temperatures 15, 16 degrees, but some more widely tomorrow up into the high teens or maybe low 20s with the help of a bit of hazy sunshine across the southeast. It will turn a bit breezier though across England and Wales through the day, but as I say, some pretty lively gusts of wind chugging this rain into Northern Ireland and western Scotland during Thursday evening. So not very pleasant at all. A lot of spray, a lot of surface water on the roads as that zone of rain moves in. It's likely to increase across parts of Wales and southwest England also as that weather front moves in and this low swings its way across Scotland Thursday night and into Friday. But then we look out in the Atlantic because over the next day or so, this low pressure is going to form and then it's going to intensify. It's going to really intensify as it heads towards the Republic of Ireland, and the reason for that is all tied in with what's going on high in the sky in the jet stream. Now, it's as this storm system crosses the jet that it really starts to pop, really starts to intensify. Look at the isobars jumping out of it. That is where it really deepens. That's where it becomes quite a potent storm, and then it heads up probably just to the north of Scotland, but the isobars really squeeze together on its southern flank. So that's going to generate some very strong winds as well as some very heavy rainfall. Again, in an area that's seen a lot of rainfall through the course of this week. The largest or the greatest risk from disruption from Amy is across northern parts of Britain. We have just named this storm. There are fresh warnings that have just been issued. We'll have much more on this over the next few hours and the next few days. Obviously, a YouTube special will be coming out through the afternoon, so make sure you subscribe and you won't miss that. And for more details on all of those warnings, you can check our app and our website.